Hi, how are you? We're here to show your beautiful faces something smart and savvy. You do enjoy smart and savvy, don't you? Not only will it drive you wild with security, but also we have the hopes that you'll buy the damn thing. MYDLOCK, the portable door lock for at home or away. MYDLOCK is 100% made in America by American-made steel. It has a 4.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon. I mean, who wouldn't want one of these? Maybe you're an intruder. MYDLOCK works on front doors,
Washroom doors,
motel doors, back doors, and dorm room doors. Any inward swinging door. Headed out of town on business? Your hotel feels like a donkey stable. Annoying? Up on your business roommates? Creepy guy next door? Any place, anywhere, MYDLOCK is there. A MYDLOCK installs easily on any inward swinging door. You open said door. You place in the strike plate. You close door. You push, it drops down. You turn, you're good to go. And remember, there's nothing silly about safety.
You'll be safe around the clock. Don't forget your MYDLOCK.